Saving, sending, and publishing. One of the most important tasks is to save and publish the spreadsheet once you finish with it. Let's go to the File menu, where you can see the information about the actual spreadsheet you are on. Here, you can see the location of my spreadsheet, and it is an XLSX file, which is Standard Excel Worksheet 2010. Here I can go for permissions to protect the worksheet. I can also go for sharing the file. It will take me to check the file for issues. Here, I can change from the older versions to the new versions at the same time. When I am sharing a document, I am going to ensure that the information that is seen under Properties, dates of when the information was actually utilized, are all contained within the spreadsheet itself. When I go into the Properties area, you'll notice that if I want to get to the Advanced Properties, it takes me right there. Here, I can put in information regarding the contents, the subject, and the title are clearly stated. If you want to save, then go up right here and save. Save As allows me to change not only the name, but the file extension if I need to actually save it in a prior version. If you want to send it by email, you can go for Save and Send. When I go into Send, you'll also note that this is where I can save it to my SharePoint website. Notice when I'm in Save and Send that I can also use email. I can change the file type. I can create a PDF or an XPS document. On the right side of the screen, you can see the information regarding the tools. So go through all of these new features in Excel 2010.